I genuinely hope I feel better. Like, I hope this is going to make me feel better. I'm going to go. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you've seen in the title, this is a birthday vlog. Today is the 22nd of March, and my birthday is on the 28th. However, Angela, I look so hot. I can't stop looking at myself. Like, anyways, I'm going to farmers market today. I mean tomorrow. To Vaal farmers market tomorrow. Nah, man. Like, my hairstylist ate this. Don't mind the echo because I'm using nail butter now. Anyways, so I'm going to the Vaal farmers market tomorrow. That's how my birthday celebration will be starting. I'll be celebrating my birthday throughout the week because it will be a Thursday, right? The Thursday before Good Friday. My birthday will be the Thursday before Good Friday. And I'm going to church on Thursday. Yeah, from Thursday. So, celebrating now. Anyway, stay tuned. I love you guys so much. And I appreciate you guys so much.
Maybe I be driving yourself, I be cruising.
Enjoy the butterflies. Enjoy being naive. Enjoy the nerves, the pressure. If you kind of want to stand on the top from day one, then there's nothing else to look forward to. Enjoy kind of the process of making a name for yourself. And meeting some great people along the way. Yeah, there's a lot of worldly people in this paddock who you can laugh with, learn from, enjoy some moments with. So embrace the good ones, stay focused, don't be too far off your path. I think just like keep trying to build and grow and learn from yourself, but don't forget what got you here. And yeah, bring friends along, bring family along. They might be something to kind of take the weight off your shoulders on a race weekend. They're also people to enjoy the moment with, to celebrate with. So don't be afraid to surround yourself with people that you care about and love, and they're also excited to, I guess, be on this journey as well. So.
So today is the 27th. It's a day before my birthday. I'm back home, as you can see, and I took off my frontal because like there's just a lot going on. I had to take it off immediately when I got home. Like I spent 10 minutes with it, then I had to take it off. But also I've been having such a mixed week. Like, I don't know what is going on. I have such mixed emotions. I've been feeling sad, happy, and then like angry, and guys, there's just so much going on. But you know what works best whenever you're feeling like that? Retail therapy. Hence, I'm going to the mall right now. I'm still going to look for a birthday gift for myself. I want to go check, like, I saw a few items that I like from different stores. So I want to go check all of those stores, and then I feel like once I get there, I'll know what I want, you know? I want to go to... Hi guys!
Like the carpet? The carpet is small too. Absolutely, yeah, but that can I put the other time? Yeah. can just go today. I mean,
You know, I'm vlogging.
guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm back in this time to go now. We are going to my cousin's grad party and we are late. However, I'm still contemplating on my outfit, specifically my accessories, my earrings. As you can see, I have different earrings on, the glasses. Anywho, we'll sort that out once we get there. I think I'm putting these ones on because they're dark and the accents of my color are light. I mean, the accents of my outfit are light. So if I have dark glasses, then they contrast a bit, you know. I don't want like everything to just be faded out. I want like pops of details everywhere. So this works. Anyways, let's go to the mall, look for some flowers and an outfit, and then we will proceed to the party.